Welcome to Engineering Expo. Whether you're a seasoned recruiter or joining us for the first time, this quick walkthrough will show you how to make the most of Swapcard, your all-in-one tool for connecting with Virginia Tech's next generation of engineers. Start by clicking on the Student Profiles tab. Here you'll find a searchable list of student profiles. You can filter by major, graduation year, interests, and more by searching. Each profile includes a resume, LinkedIn link, and career goals. Found someone promising? Hit the connect button on their profile to start a conversation. You can message students before, during, or after the expo. It's a great way to share opportunities or schedule follow-up. When speaking with a student in person, use a Swapcard app to scan their badge. Their profile will instantly pop up. No need to search manually. It's fast, efficient, and ensures you never miss a great candidate. Stay on top of everything with the Schedule tab. Here, you'll find out all the event times. Make your company stand out by customizing your profile. Start by clicking the settings icon in the top right corner. Here you can add key details about your organization, values, and what makes your team unique. Be sure to include the days you'll be attending the event and specify the types of students or majors you're hoping to connect with. This helps candidates know exactly when and where to find you. You can also add your social media handles and contact information, making it easier for students to follow up or learn more about your company. Open the Exhibitor Center again and select your event. Tap the three lines in the top left, then go to the Company tab and choose Job Opportunities. Click Add to create a new post. Pick a category, enter the job name and description, and add any external application links. And that's it. Your listing is ready to go. To add a recruiter to your company profile, start by clicking on Team Members. Then select the Settings icon in the top right corner. From here, you'll be able to add a new member. Keep in mind, the recruiter must already be registered on Swapcard. Once confirmed, simply enter their email address to link them to your company profile. That's it. You're now ready to navigate Swapcard like a pro. Thank you for being part of the Engineering Expo.